So Samsung just had its Galaxy Unpacked event last week where we saw the launch of 2 foldables, 2 smartwatches, and 3 tablets, including the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, which is Samsung's premium tablet. I've been testing it out for the better part of a week now, and I'm here to share my first thoughts on it. Hi there and welcome to ZDNET. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. This is Samsung's flagship tablet. It's their biggest tablet and their most premium tablet. And when I say the biggest, I am not kidding. It's a 14.6-inch tablet. So in reality, Samsung didn't really make a ton of upgrades to its Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. We are getting more of a chip upgrade with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, which is a new processor, and it's the same one that's in the Galaxy S23 line of phones, as well as the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5. We're also getting a better screen. The Dynamic AMOLED 2X display is a brand new feature in the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra that makes for really beautiful, vibrant images when you're streaming or editing photos or coloring with your S Pen or really any day-to-day work activities. And the biggest feature that actually sets it apart from a lot of competitors is the fact that this tablet has an IP68 rating, which means it can survive being submerged in up to 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. And this is also something that your iPad Pro or your iPad can't do because iPads don't even have an IP rating, so they're not rated for dust or water resistant. Now, I wouldn't recommend you doing that, but of course we tested it out and yes, it does work. Now, as you're hearing all these features, you're probably wondering, who is this tablet for? The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is built for the power user. With an 11,000 milliamp battery, it's perfect to go with you from work to nighttime streaming to anything in between without needing to be charged. It comes in 3 versions of RAM and storage, for 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage, or 16 gigs and 1 terabyte of storage. And it also has a micro SD card slot, so you could add an extra terabyte of storage with that. The S Pen is undeniably one of my favorite features, but if you really want to take advantage of all the features that this tablet offers, then you would combine using the easy note-taking that the S Pen facilitates, along with the Samsung DeX for work and the beautiful display for streaming. Samsung DeX will transform your tablet essentially into a mini computer, which is a great feature to use on a tablet that's specifically marketed for the power user that goes from work to different situations. Now, could this replace your laptop? It very well may, especially if you get a separate keyboard for it or a keyboard case and a mouse. It makes for a really smooth experience. Now, onto the not so great. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is very, very big. It's not for everybody. It's a 14.6-inch display, and that just means that it can get a little cumbersome to carry around. It's not a very portable tablet, and it doesn't come with any sort of case or keyboard. You would have to buy that separately from Samsung for $200, and it's also not very comfortable if you're looking for a device that you want to play games on or something like that, because it's very large. That being said, the large screen makes it really comfortable to watch videos and stream, especially with the 16:10 aspect ratio compared to the iPad's 4:3. Now, when you are going to watch videos, just keep in mind that you do have to prop it up against something unless you buy the $200 keyboard case or another kickstand case. As far as battery life, I've used this tablet on and off for a few days, and it's lasted me anywhere between 8 and 10 hours of continuous use. And this includes note-taking, working on spreadsheets, editing photos in Photoshop, anything you can think of while listening to music. So the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is available right now for pre-order, with orders shipping out as soon as August 11th. And the price starts at $1,200 all the way up to $1,600 depending on the RAM and storage model that you choose. So let me know what you think in the comments, and as always, thank you so much for watching.